Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Due to many different reasons, we need to know the time of a particular city or a country anytime. And this is what we are going to learn today. In less than 2 to 3 seconds time, you can know the time of any country anytime. All you need is your device and internet. So if you go to Google, then simply type time in Sydney, for example. It will give you the time. So it is 6:39 p.m. Thursday, 14th of April 2022. Now if you want to see the time of a different city, let's say Perth, there's the capital of Western Australia. There is a difference here. You can see it's 4:39 p.m. but the day and date wise they are same. So you get two things at the same time. Now if you want to see the capital of India, which is New Delhi, you can see it's now 2:09 p.m. We can also see what? Thursday, 14th of April. Now if we want to see actually the country wise, so we can simply type it's coming. See, you don't have to type, it's popping up. So it's 2:10. So just because by the time we move to the country, we got another 1 minute being added here. Now if we go to, let's say, Tokyo, the capital of Japan, it's now 5:40 p.m. here and it's Thursday, 14th of April. You can see. Similarly, if you want to do country wise, Japan 5:40, we can see, and also the other things. Likewise, you can do London. You can see it's 9:41 a.m. at the moment. You can do New York, for example. Okay, and you can see it is 4:41 a.m. It's very early in the morning. And the day, which is also important, because if I did it probably a few hours before, it would have been actually Wednesday. Then we can do Dhaka, which is the capital of Bangladesh. It's 2:41 p.m. Okay, we can also see what? The day here. So likewise, you can actually check any country, any city in the world. Hope you like this video. If you did, please share, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much.